Hi everyone, how are you? I want to talk about what I like and what I don't like about the latest GoPro camera, the Hero 10 Black. I've only used this for about a week, and I must say that I am mostly impressed. What I really like about the camera, so before that you got to understand that my last GoPro was a GoPro Hero 5. So you can imagine this is such a big jump in terms of quality, in terms of I would say usability and all that, compared to my Hero 5, which I'm very happy about, and it's still working, by the way. It's maybe not as waterproof because after 5 years, you know, you can expect these things to happen, but the picture, the video quality is still good. It's very robust. I still use it for time lapses and all that, but I thought to myself, it is time to upgrade. So I decided to go for this bad boy. And to be honest with you, I like almost everything this camera has to offer. First of all, I really like the higher film rates. It shoots 240 frames at 2.7K. It shoots 120 frames in 4K, and it shoots 60 frames in 5.3K. So those are very impressive numbers. Basically, the 240 frames per second at 2.7K blows my mind away with the slow motion and all that. You can practically count the droplets of water when you dive, you know, and the water splashes, and then you can count the droplets. It's that slow and clear. Video quality, audio quality, as well as photo quality are all pretty darn good, provided it is done under very good lightings. That means a good sunny day, not too cloudy, and definitely not a great performer at night. To be honest with you, I wouldn't use the GoPro much in the night because of the sensor size and all that. Since we're talking about the sensor size, this GoPro Hero 10 comes with GP2 set, which is their latest processing chip. I'm very impressed. The reason why it can go up to those high frame rates, which I mentioned earlier, and a lot other more advanced features and all that, is credit goes to the GP2 chip. And GoPro Hero 10 is the first GoPro that uses the GP2 chip. I believe in the next couple of years they will continue to use the GP2 chip, just like they did for the 9, 8, 7, I believe the 6 as well. So the features that I like besides the film rates is the frame rate, sorry, is also the Hypersmooth 4.0. I haven't tried the Hypersmooth 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, so I cannot give you a comparison, but I can tell you I'm totally blown away with the Hypersmooth 4.0. It really, the footage just really looks like it came from a gimbal. You know, it's like you're using a gimbal to stabilize the camera. It looks that smooth, and I was literally blown away. Very happy with the stabilization offered by Hypersmooth 4.0. And then also this year with the GP2 chip, they were able to improve on the level horizon mode as well, but you have to shoot it at linear, which is minus the fish eye. That means it's not so wide. But what this level horizon does is, when you turn the camera this way while you're walking or jumping or running, up to about 45 degrees, the footage will still look level. Even if you do this, right, up to a tolerance of 45 degrees, the footage will still look level. In other words, it will not look like it is turning left and right. It's amazing. How do they do that? I'm very, very impressed. That is great if you're walking around with the camera, running around with the camera, together with the Hypersmooth 4.0. It literally looks like the camera is fixed on a gimbal. All right, and it's I'm pretty impressed. The audio quality is amazing. I do not know why you need external microphone, except when you want to put the camera further away from you, then I can understand. But if you're holding the camera with a grip like this or holding it in your hand, the video quality is actually pretty amazing. So I wouldn't spend money on an external mic unless I plan to vlog with the camera much further away from me. But why would I do that? Doesn't make sense. And I have my DJI Pocket 2, which I'm using to film this video right now. I have that. It comes with a wireless mic that I can clip onto my shirt. This works amazing, by the way. So why would I need external mic for this one? Doesn't make any sense. Is this a good camera? Yes, I think so. It is a very good, very capable action camera. But don't expect to get things like a nice bokeh, like a blur background behind the picture or the video. Don't expect very good night performance, because this is not that kind of camera. It is not practical and realistic to expect those kind of capabilities from a camera like this. But at the same time, those cameras that's got very good picture quality, can do nice bokeh and very good at night performance and all that, cannot do what this guy is doing. Things like waterproofing, the ruggedness, the flexibility of mounting this camera, etc., etc. Nothing beats this guy, to be honest with you. So if you're looking for a camera that you can bring to the beach, you can go underwater, you can do a lot of extreme sports like skating and all that, and you want that super view, wide angle, fish eye kind of effects and all that, this is a camera to go for. I won't even use my DJI Pocket 2 for that kind of situation, simply because my DJI Pocket 2 is not waterproof. I use DJI Pocket 2 for vlogging. Yes, very good, very capable vlogging camera. I use it for when I want to shoot myself further away from the camera, because it comes with the wireless microphone. So as you can see, these two cameras are very different. So it depends on what is your usage. Will I use this as a vlogging camera? Yeah, why not? Why not? I can use this as a vlogging camera as long as I'm just holding it in my hand, or if the camera is not that far away from me, because then it can capture my my voice, my audio clearly. I can definitely use this as a vlogging camera, to be honest with you. All right. So, but I'm not so hot about the online services that GoPro is offering right now, because there seems to be a lot of problems from what I've read, what I've experienced myself, what I've watched on YouTube. So I hope GoPro and the team will try and resolve this problem soon, so that it will not dampen my positive experience with this guy here. Will I recommend this camera to anyone who wants to buy a good action camera? 100%. Go for this, and buy it with the subscription, because the camera is $200 cheaper. Makes more sense. You can also buy the original accessories from GoPro.com at a huge discount, something like 30, 35 to 40%. So yeah, go for it. I mean, this is a really, really good and capable camera. All right. Thanks for watching.